So I've had a couple questions about how to solve problems that look like this. 2b plus 4 plus 5 times b plus 4. Like you would do with any other question, you're looking for what's common. So I have two terms here. Here's one term and there's a second term. I'm looking for what is common. So what's common is what is underlined here in the brackets. So I'm going to take my common factor. I'm going to put that out front. So it's b plus 4. That's common. And then I'm going to put my leftovers in the back. So when I divide the first term by b plus 4, I'm left with 2b. And when I divide the second term by b plus 4, I'm left with just 5. So that question is now done. It's fully factored, and I know it's factored because I have a product. I have two terms being multiplied. I have this bracket times this bracket. So that is how you solve something like that. So let's try another one. Here's a second example. We have x times 3x plus 5 and 3x plus 5 times x plus 1. So I'm looking for what is common. So I have two terms here, and what's common is what I have in these brackets here. I have 3x plus 5 in each term. So I'm going to take that common factor out front, and then I'm going to put my leftovers in the back. So my leftovers are going to be from the first term. I'm looking at this one here. I'm dividing that term by 3x plus 5, so I'll be left with just x. And then I'm going to divide this one by also 3x plus 5, so I'm left with the second bracket, that x plus 1. So I'm going to simplify the second bracket there just a little bit. So here's my common factor still out front, and in the second bracket I have 2x's plus 1. Okay, so hopefully that helps you out a little bit and you can finish up those kinds of questions. Keep messaging me anything that you're unsure of, and I can send you pictures of how to solve them, or I can address everyone this way. I think we will try something new. If my tech works properly, we'll try something new this afternoon, or I'll post it right away in the morning. Okay, hope you have a good day. Take care.